What if 10 small habits changed your English forever? Not years of study, just simple daily actions. Real habits used by successful English learners everywhere. No stress, no pressure, just steady daily progress. Stay with me until the end today. Your English journey is about to change. Hello, and welcome to Rising Voice English. This channel helps you speak real, natural English. We focus on daily life, not complicated grammar. Every lesson here feels simple, calm, and clear. This is a place for real beginners, too.
If you are new here, we welcome you warmly. Please consider subscribing to Rising Voice English today. Tap the notification bell so you never miss lessons. Your subscription truly supports this growing community. It also helps more learners discover this channel. Today's topic is powerful and very practical. 10 daily habits from beginner to conversational English. Let's begin this journey together right now.
Fluency does not come from one big effort. It comes from small habits, repeated every day. Many learners try hard for just 1 week, then life gets busy and progress stops completely. But daily habits create steady, lasting improvement instead. Today, we explore 10 simple daily habits. These habits focus on real American English, the English used at home, work, and school. Not formal textbook English, but everyday spoken English. Let's start with the very first habit. Habit 1. Think in English first. Try thinking in English before you speak. Instead of translating, form thoughts directly in English. This feels difficult at first, but it works. Start with simple thoughts, like your daily plans. I need to buy groceries this afternoon. This habit trains your brain to skip translation. Over time, English thoughts come more naturally. Practice this during quiet moments throughout your day. Even 1 minute of English thinking helps greatly. This is a small step towards true fluency. Habit 2. Read one short text daily. Reading simple English texts builds strong vocabulary skills. Choose short articles, stories, or simple blog posts. 5 minutes of daily reading makes a difference. Focus on understanding the general meaning first. Do not stop at every unfamiliar word. Keep reading and let context guide your understanding. Later, review a few new words you noticed. This habit strengthens both vocabulary and reading confidence. Choose topics that genuinely interest you personally. Habit 3. Watch short American vlogs. American vlogs show real, natural, everyday English. Choose short videos about daily life and routines. Notice how people speak quickly and casually. This is very different from slow textbook audio. Watch the same short video multiple times. Repetition helps your ears recognize natural speech patterns. Try to guess the meaning from tone and facial expressions. This habit builds listening comprehension in a fun way. Choose vlogs about topics you truly enjoy. Habit 4. Repeat after native speakers. This habit is called shadowing, and it works. Listen to a short sentence from a video. Pause the video and repeat the sentence aloud. Try to match the speaker's rhythm and tone. This trains your mouth to form English sounds, dramatically improves pronunciation over time. Habit 5. Keep a simple daily journal. Write a few English sentences every single day. Describe your day using simple, short sentences. Today was busy. I went to work. This habit connects writing with daily real life. Do not worry about perfect grammar here. Focus on expressing your thoughts clearly and simply. Over time, your writing will become more natural. Reading old journal entries shows your real progress. This habit builds confidence in written English too. Habit 6. Label objects around your home. Write English words on sticky notes at home. Label your kitchen, furniture, and daily household items. Seeing these words repeatedly builds strong visual memory. This is a simple, low-effort daily habit. Your brain absorbs these words naturally over time. Try saying the word aloud each time you see it. This connects the written word with clear pronunciation. This habit works especially well for visual learners. Habit 7. Listen during your commute. Use your commute time for English listening practice. Choose simple podcasts made for language learners. Clear, slow speech works best for this habit. You do not need perfect understanding immediately. Just let your ears adjust to the sounds. This passive listening builds familiarity over time. Try this daily, even for just 10 minutes. Turn empty travel time into valuable learning time. Habit 8. Practice small talk phrases. Small talk is essential in American daily life. Practice simple greetings and common daily phrases. How's it going? Or have a good one. These phrases appear constantly in everyday conversations. Practice saying these phrases out loud daily. Later, start collecting useful phrases you hear often. Habit 9. Learn one useful phrase daily. Instead of single words, learn full useful phrases. Phrases like, I'm just browsing, or no worries. These phrases are more useful than isolated words. Write the phrase, its meaning, and an example. Try using this phrase sometime during your day. Using phrases immediately helps you remember them better. One phrase daily equals over 300 phrases yearly. This steadily builds natural, conversational English ability. Habit 10. Have a short daily conversation. This final habit brings everything else together. Speak with someone in English for a few minutes. This could be a friend, tutor, or language partner. Language exchange apps make finding partners easy today. Talk about simple topics, like your day or hobbies. Do not wait until you feel fully ready. Mistakes are simply part of the learning process. This habit turns knowledge into real speaking confidence. Bringing the 10 habits together. Let's quickly review these 10 valuable habits. Think in English and read short texts daily. Watch vlogs and practice shadowing native speakers. Keep a journal and label objects at home. Listen during commutes and practice small talk phrases. Learn one phrase daily and have short conversations. These habits work best when combined together. You do not need hours of free time, just small, consistent actions throughout each day. Fluency comes from consistency, not perfection. Choose 1 or 2 habits to start today. Slowly add more habits as they feel comfortable. Every learner started exactly where you are now. They also felt unsure and nervous at first. Daily habits transformed their beginner English into fluency. You can achieve the same results too. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. We truly hope these 10 habits inspire you. Small daily actions can transform your English journey. If this video helped you, please subscribe now. Subscribing to Rising Voice English is completely free. It keeps you updated with new weekly lessons. We create real, practical English lessons for learners, perfect for beginner to intermediate level students worldwide. Please leave a thumbs up if this helped you. It helps other learners discover this growing channel. Share this video with a friend learning English. Tell us in the comments which habit you'll try. We truly love hearing from our learning community. Your comments help shape our future video lessons. Remember, your English improves through daily small habits. You are closer to fluency than you think. Thank you for learning with Rising Voice English. Stay consistent, stay patient, and keep practicing daily. We will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now, and happy learning, everyone.